customer came in reporting that the check engine light was on. To identify the issue, I connected a scan tool and found the diagnostic trouble code P0106, manifold absolute pressure, barometric pressure circuit range/performance. This code typically points to a problem with the manifold absolute pressure MAP sensor, which plays a crucial role in measuring the pressure in the intake manifold and helping the engine control module, ECM, calculate the correct air-fuel mixture. I started with a road test, using the scan tool to monitor live data while the engine was running. The MAP sensor parameter was erratic, which confirmed an inconsistency in the sensor's readings. Next, I performed a thorough inspection of the air intake system for any obvious issues like leaks or blockages, but everything appeared to be in good condition. Moving on, I inspected the MAP sensor's wiring harness and connector. There were no signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for the presence of voltage and ground at the MAP sensor connector. Both were present, which confirmed that the power supply and ground circuit to the sensor were functioning properly. To dig deeper, I back-probed the MAP sensor and performed a throttle sweep while monitoring the sensor's signal on a lab scope. A throttle sweep involves gradually opening and closing the throttle to observe how the sensor responds. The signal observed on the lab scope was erratic and inconsistent, which confirmed that the MAP sensor itself was faulty. The MAP sensor is a critical component for engine performance because it helps the ECM adjust fuel delivery and ignition timing based on the engine's load. A malfunctioning sensor can lead to poor fuel economy, hesitation, and increased emissions. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty MAP sensor with a new one that met the manufacturer's specifications. After installation, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed another road test to ensure the vehicle was operating correctly. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. By replacing the faulty MAP sensor, I restored the vehicle's performance and ensured accurate readings for optimal engine efficiency and emissions control.